Hey guys, today I'm going to be making a Romano crusted chicken pasta. Here are the ingredients that I'm using if you want to go ahead and pause the video to take a screenshot. Let's go. Take 1 shallot and dice and peel about 3 to 4 garlic cloves. Then add a shallow layer of olive oil in a pan. Slice in the cloves of garlic. I have this cool little garlic slicer that saves so much time. But if you don't have one of these, you could just use a knife. This is a quick sauce, so I'm going to cook my pasta simultaneously. Now over a medium heat, lightly saute your garlic and diced shallots. Add a little salt and pepper. I like to season so that way the salt can draw out the moisture and the natural oils to activate and flavor the oil quicker. Cook until the fragrance fills the space. It's probably one of my most favorite aromas out there. Now that the oil smells amazing, I throw in a little crushed red pepper for spice and more flavor for the oil. Add in about a tablespoon of tomato paste and mix until the oil changes color. As the oil gets infused with the tomato paste, add in about a 1/3 cup of heavy cream. Then grate in some Romano cheese. This will help season and thicken the sauce. Now add a pat of butter. Reason I add butter is because its richness cuts through the acidity of the tomato paste, resulting in a creamy and velvety sauce. Turn the heat down and mix together. As the butter has melted, go ahead and turn your heat off and ladle in 2 small spoonfuls of the pasta water. And now add your pasta. Now add some more pecorino. This cheese comes from sheep's milk. Its flavor and saltiness add so much to the dish that I don't have to add any more salt. And your pasta is done. Now take 1 chicken breast and slice it into 3 cutlets. This 1 piece of chicken fed me and my family. It's kind of crazy how you can feed 3 to 4 people with 1 chicken breast. It's why I love cooking at home, because it's more affordable and you're able to do more with less. So if you try this dish and try these ingredients in this process, you'll be able to do this and feed up to 3 to 4 people. Take 1 of your cutlets and pound it out evenly until you get thin pieces. This will ensure a quick and even cook in the pan. In 3 containers, you want to separate your flour, your beaten eggs, and your breadcrumbs. I'm using Panko because I like the texture, especially when you pan fry it. It has a very satisfying crunch. And to the breadcrumbs, I'm adding some more pecorino, just because this is the main component of the dish. Now season both sides with salt and pepper. Now that your chicken is seasoned, you want to go ahead and bread it and put it in the flour, the egg, and then the breadcrumb mixture. And now it's ready to fry. Heat up your oil over medium-high heat, and when the temperature is ready, go ahead and test it by throwing in a piece of breadcrumb. And when you see it bubble, the chicken is ready to be put in. It's time to fry. I like to cook by look and feel, so as soon as I see the browning start to develop, it's ready to flip. Since the chicken is so thin, it will cook quickly, so when you see a nice golden brown color on both sides, it is done. Time to cut and plate. Try this out. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.